Have you ever wondered how the celestial bodies in the night sky might hold the key to understanding our individual and collective destinies? This is the Enigma of Astrology, practice that has captivated human minds for millennia. By looking to the stars, our ancestors sought to comprehend the mysteries of existence and chart the course of empires. Astrology has played a pivotal role in shaping our history and culture. So, join as we take a journey back in time to uncover the origins of astrology. If you're enjoying this celestial journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating astrology content. Astrology's roots trace back to the ancient civilization of Babylon around the 2nd millennium BC. The Babylonians, renowned for their astronomical observations, began to correlate celestial events with earthly occurrences, thus birthing the fundamental premise of astrology. Astrology, however, was not confined to Babylon. It spread like wildfire, reaching the fertile lands of Egypt. The Egyptians, known for their fascination with the afterlife, integrated astrology into their religious beliefs, using it as a tool to predict the Nile's annual flooding, a crucial event for their survival. In time, astrology made its way to the intellectual hub of the ancient world, Greece. There, it was elevated to a scholarly discipline. Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle dabbled in astrology, expanding its philosophical dimensions. But it was Ptolemy, an astronomer and mathematician, who left an indelible mark on astrology. His work, the Tetrabiblos, became a cornerstone text, cementing astrology's place in the Western intellectual tradition. The Romans, ever the cultural borrowers, adopted Greek astrology, intertwining it with their pantheon of gods. Emperor Augustus even used astrology for political purposes, employing it to legitimize his reign. With the fall of the Roman Empire, astrology experienced a decline in the West, but it was just the beginning in the East. The Middle Ages saw astrology resurface, as Arab scholars rekindled the ancient knowledge and passed it to Europe during the Renaissance. This period was a pivotal moment in time, marking a resurgence of astrology. Arab scholars played a significant role in this revival. They diligently preserved and expanded upon the ancient astrological texts, sparking a renewed interest in this celestial science. These scholars were the unsung heroes who passed the torch of knowledge to Europe during the Renaissance, a time of great intellectual exploration and discovery. As Europe embraced this renewed interest in astrology, it began to merge with the emerging scientific thought of the Renaissance. Astrology was no longer just about understanding the fate of kingdoms or predicting the outcome of battles. Instead, it became more personalized. The focus shifted towards understanding individual destinies, using one's birth chart or horoscope as a celestial map, guiding personal growth and self-awareness. Astrology, thus, transformed during the Renaissance. It became a tool for individuals to explore their inner self, their potentials, their challenges, and their place in the universe. This was a significant departure from the collective destinies that astrology had focused on in the past. Despite skepticism and scientific advancements, astrology has remained a fascinating field, even in modern times. The Renaissance of astrology marked a new era, one where individuals could seek personal insight and guidance from the stars, and this fascination with astrology has persevered, maintaining its allure and mystery to this day. Fast forward to today, astrology has taken on a new life in the realm of pop culture and personal growth. Astrology, once an esoteric field, has now become a common touchstone in our daily lives. It's woven into the fabric of our society, influencing everything from our fashion choices to our favorite podcasts. The once distant constellations are now just a click away, with horoscope apps and astrology websites offering daily guidance to millions around the world. Astrology is also making its mark in the field of psychology. Carl Jung, a pioneer in this domain, once said that astrology represented the sum of all the psychological knowledge of antiquity. Today, many therapists incorporate astrological insights into their practice, using the unique language of the stars to unlock deeper dimensions of the human psyche. And let's not forget the growing interest in personal development. Astrology offers a unique framework for self-discovery, helping us to understand our strengths, our challenges, and our potential. Whether it's Vedic, Hellenistic, or modern Western astrology, each school offers its own unique lens, providing diverse ways for individuals to navigate their lives. So whether you're wearing your zodiac sign around your neck or consulting your birth chart for insights, it's clear that astrology has moved far beyond the realm of ancient scholars and seers. Astrology, a field of study as old as civilization itself, continues to captivate us with its mystique and its promise of insight into the human psyche. Our journey through the history of astrology has shown us how this ancient science art has evolved and adapted through the ages. From its mystical beginnings in ancient civilizations through its renaissance in the Middle Ages to its modern application today, astrology has remained a constant source of fascination. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity about the cosmos and our place within it. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is certain: the stars continue to inspire us as they have done for millennia.